Welcome back, everybody. This is scary, but it's true. Chimney fires destroy thousands of homes every single year. Here with us this morning is a guy that knows how to get out ahead of that before it even happens, is James Anderson. He is the president of Approved Home Improvements. He does a little bit of everything, but his real passion is masonry, chimney sweeping, and making sure that things don't get out of hand in a big hurry. Happy New Year to you.
You too. Just fine. How you doing?
I'm doing great. So explain to everybody why this is a concern and how these chimney fires start in the first place.
The chimney fires actually start where you normally put the fire, which is in the firebox.
Okay.
And as long as they remain there, everything's fine in the home. The problem is when you don't clean the chimney, all those ashes that you clean out inside your fireboxes,
right,
those unburned ashes, unburned wood that doesn't burn as complete as that collects on your flue tile walls. And it's sitting around for a later date to catch on fire in the flue instead of in the firebox.
Gotcha. So cleaning is important, but there can also be structural problems, some cracks and crevices that form within that flue, right? And that's a problem.
You can have water damage or fire damage. Either one can take a seam out or a liner out. When that happens, a regular flue fire burns at around 2,000 degrees. Okay. Your clay tile liners will fail at that point. They can't withstand it. That's going to spread from the flue or the fireplace to where it's safe. Even if it spreads to the other, loses containment, it goes to your house, catches your house on fire. That's when most people's aware they've had a flue fire, when it actually spreads from the flue to the fireplace, to the house. The good thing is that we have a revolutionary material. We can go in with no demo, and we can take that to a 3,000 degree temperature. Even on an old house, we can take it to 3,000 degrees. If you have a flue fire, it's not going to spread to the dwelling. You'll probably never know what happened until somebody comes and tells you.
As often as he's explained how this works to me, I had a really difficult time envisioning it in my head until we actually went out and we saw him do it. So we have some video of before, and if you look really closely, that's after. You'll actually, you've got the spray coating in there already. So you see that kind of, I don't even know what to call it, epoxy buildup. Before that, there were cracks and nooks and holes and stuff all over the place.
Yeah, they've got the pictures backwards, but eventually they're going to get around to the picture that shows you the before, which you can see what we corrected.
Yep.
And this is an after too, so I mean, I guess eventually they'll get the pictures corrected right. But this is what it looks like after the process is completed. And that's it when it's completely done. So you got a solid tube, no air can vent in, no cool temperatures can get in, nothing can get out of, and it rated to 3,000 degrees. There's nothing that exists that does that. So basically, if you do have a catastrophic event, you're never going to know it because it's going to be contained to your fireplace.
That's the way we want it to happen.
That's the way you want it, and then you want to know about it later when you then they're going to clean it, maybe some special things to clean it, but there's no repairs that are even needed after it happens.
And trust me, that space is too small for you to get up in and work on. It's too small for him to get up and work on. That's why they've got that. It's almost like he's brushing all four sides of the flue at one time with that special sealant, which takes it all the way up to 3,000 degrees. That's cool.
I mean, we do have abilities if something's broken and missing to get in and repair it, but we still do this system over it because you get 1,000 degrees of protection, and we don't want to take a chance with the fireplace.
That's huge. So they just have to give you a call and you can come on out and check it out.
And it's been cold. This winter's just starting. It's going to get cold again, but right now we're working every hour of daylight we have because the weather's been great to get a bunch of these repairs done.
And there's not many hours of daylight this time of year.
We will agree with you there. We need to find a solution for that.
Well, it's changing slowly, but we just got to wait. James, thank you so much for being here.
Sir.
We appreciate it. For more information on Approved Home Improvements and to find out about all the services that they offer, this is just one of the many things they do. You can call them anytime, 314-780-6080. Megan?
All right.